Land Survey Explained, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, land survey. This is a common term in fields like geography, law, and real estate. But what does it actually mean? Let's dive into the fascinating world of land surveys and understand its importance. A land survey is the process of measuring and mapping land. It's like drawing a detailed map of a specific area to show its boundaries, features, and any other important details. This is crucial for property ownership, construction, and legal purposes. Surveyors use special tools to take precise measurements, ensuring that the map they create is accurate. Land surveys are vital for several reasons. Firstly, they help in determining property boundaries, which is essential to avoid disputes between landowners. Secondly, they are necessary for planning and construction purposes. Without a proper survey, buildings might be built on the wrong spot. Finally, land surveys are often required by law, especially when buying or selling property. Land surveyors use a variety of tools to do their job. The most common ones include theodolites, for measuring angles, GPS equipment, for pinpointing exact locations, tape measures and rulers, for measuring distances. These tools help surveyors create a precise representation of the land. Conducting a land survey involves several steps. 1. Research. Surveyors start by researching existing records about the land. 2. Fieldwork. They then go to the site to measure and collect data. 3. Data analysis. This data is analyzed and used to create the survey map. 4. Reporting. Finally, the surveyor prepares a report with their findings. I hope this video helped clarify what a land survey is and why it's so important. Whether you're interested in geography, real estate, or just learning new English phrases, understanding land surveys is incredibly useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.